I'm going to show you how to use WordPress by going through Bluehost. You can go to the WordPress site and download WordPress. Then you have to download PHP and MySQL. Forget the name of the program. I got a cheat here. Here it is, my Bluehost LastPass. Okay, we're going to install WordPress. There's lots of things you can do with it to install it. Okay, we're at jilldigital.net, and we have our control panel. Scroll down here. There's WordPress. Click that. This means we're going to do a WordPress installation on one of our domains. So let's install a brand new instance of WordPress, and we'll select the domain. Let's find one here. Here's our list. What if Linda Johnson has one? BHClass doesn't. It does, but it needs something new. So we'll go ahead and check the domain. Read the terms and conditions. We don't need advanced options. I guess we could do that. Yeah. Oh, what's that tell us? Site name or title. Admin username. We don't want to use that. There's a password. I like to use admin, but we can change that. So what we're going to do is we're going to copy the password, so we don't have to write it down, and we know that's the username. Okay, we're going to install it. And that's installing on the domain bhclass.com. And presto, we're going to have a website there. Okay. It tries to sell us stuff. See, they're setting it up for us. Let's close our ads. See, there's the installation taking place. We're on Bluehost. Okay, it's ready. New credentials. Close this junk. Okay, it's finished. View the credentials. Close this crap again. There it is. There's the address, the new installation. There's the admin URL. You always go to your domain name /wp-admin to log in. There's our username. There's our password. So let's log in. See, we already made a site. Okay, it says admin, but put a follower to H. Then we'll change it. Okay, copy, paste that password, log in. There we go. Okay, it's already got a couple plugins already installed by default. This is where you make new posts, add new posts, look at your current posts, where you create pages. Those pages automatically go into your main menu. Plugins, you can upload plugins and give your site different features. Media, that's where you add your files, your pictures, videos, whatever you want to plug in there. So a lot of this takes place right here. Okay, this jetpack thing, it's kind of neat, you know. You look at that later. You're gonna go ahead and go to admin users. There we go. We're gonna change this. Edit. Email. New password. I'm gonna use yours wisdom 0.6 lazy dumb 0.6 mismatch. Oh, mismatched again. Because I'm typing. Oh, not a 0. Oh. There, weak. Okay, update. So it's going to be follower2h@hotmail.com login. Let's see. Username cannot be changed. Email. You can have emails directed to yourself. Website. Alright, we'll just go ahead and go. www. Or we just go like this. We don't need that. dhclass.com. We already did the password. We'll update the profile again. Alright. Now, so let's take a look at our updates. It's always a good idea to do that because security issues. See, Sidekick, real-time WordPress trading walkthroughs right in your dashboard. So, new version, update now. Updating plugins is important. Doesn't have anything to do with the fun part of it. Okay, let's get a theme. So we go to appearance right here. See, themes. (2014) I've used that. I used that for Black Hills Rapid Center 2012. But if you want a different theme, you can search for themes. You can add new. I would say WordPress.org themes, not Mojo. They charge. Go ahead. Okay. Now I list my featured popular latest preview. You can kind of scroll through and see what they look like. They don't look exactly like that until you tweak them a little bit. See what you like. Let's search on something like premium that costs. These are all free. Search themes. Let's go for flat design. How about that? Remember that? Okay. Typing slow. There we go. Flat design. See that? There's one. There's a nice one. Okay. There's all kinds of stuff. You can see anything you like there. See how easy it is to pick. How about something simple like that? How about that? Hemingway. There's one that has a calendar on the side, things like that. I don't know, it could be a functional thing. Put it in a garden. You know, you don't get those pictures, you put it in your own pictures. Fishy. Look at all those furry things. It's awesome. How about that? Let's pick this up. There. 15. Okay. We don't have to install it. We can just preview it. So go up here to that must be preview. Oh, save new site. LastPass. So I save it at LastPass. Follow to hotmail.com for bhclass.com. There's a password 00.6. Saved it. Okay, it says install. We'd probably like to preview this thing. Let's go and install it. That means it's just going to be here's live. See, we didn't activate it yet. It's just one we can choose from. So let's see a live preview. Here's what it looks like. Okay, this is bhclass.com. This is what it looks like. My Great WordPress blog. All we gotta do is change this. Change it to BH Class. Like it like that. How about BH Class? Is that okay? Okay, instead of just on the WordPress thing, we'll just wipe that out. Go. BH Class. What could that stand for? Black Hills Class. Get out of there. Okay. Yeah. Alright. So we get colors. We want to change colors. Background color. We got a background image, so we won't mess with that. Header image. See, there's a header image. How about add a new one? It's fine with that. So we're going to go to Files. And not Dropbox, but so we hit the graphics on here. Creative Cloud Files. No. Let's go to public pictures. Alright. Look at my shoulders. And here we can enter some metadata in the picture. Alt text. Mushrooms. Half glass. Caption. Select and copy. So that's our new header image. Yeah, we can crop it. All we can do is slide this down and get the whole image. Do this part of it. How about that? I think that looks good. Crop it. See how that turns out. Okay, there it is. So there's the website. Now we're going to scroll down. And background image. I don't know if we need to change anything there. Widgets. Widgets are awesome. So for footer left, footer center, footer right, we don't want any footers. That's on the bottom. We'd like to have side. Well, let's go ahead and do that. Add a widget to the left. So let's do this. We can have text. Text, arbitrary text or HTML. So let's put that one in there. See? There we go. Title. Let's just call it video. Alright, now go to YouTube. Mushrooms. Psychedelic science, magic mushroom. Just for the heck of it. I mean, it's science, so we'll pick that one. So go there, and we'll share.
What seems to happen in the psychedelic state is that when something is positive,
put embed. Okay, now we got some embed code. We can see that it's going to be okay, 560 by 350. We make it a little smaller. Our custom size, like this, and we'll go like 430. Click in here, and it's proportional. Alright, and the embed code is already changed right on the fly. So select that, copy it, and we'll go back to our site. And we'll paste it in the widget box. Okay, so that's going to be a left footer widget on the bottom. And we'll save it, activate, and we'll close. Okay. Now we'll go back to appearance. See, we have a primary sidebar too. Footer center, footer right. We already put a footer left. Text video. So I think we should put 3 more videos in there to have it even across the bottoms. So footer center. And we'll drag up text. Text can also have HTML. That's what's cool about it. We just drag it up, drag it up, drag it up, drag it up. And we drop it. Come on, get out of the way. Drop it in there. See where we dropped it? We dropped it in the center footer area. We'll call this one video 2. We'll go back to YouTube. And this time maybe we should do something that has to do with our theme. What was our theme? Oh, it's Black Hills Class. So let's put Black Hills YouTube in this one. So beauty of Black Hills. We should put ours in there. Here's top 5 things to do in Black Hills. I wonder if that's good. Gardens of Villa self-taught, all secretly Canadian. That sounds interesting. So let's get that. This is just for. That looks good. Okay. Remember, go back up here, and we go share. We don't want the link. We want embed code. And remember the size. What was that? 430. Want them all the same size. 242. Changes the embed code. Double click it. Copy it. Go back to our website. Okay. It's the center widget on the footer. And we save that. Okay, then we're going to do right footer. We're going to drag the same text in there. See, it's a little dotted area. Video 3. Dumb name, but it's Let's see what we should do with this one. Let's call this one mushrooms. South Dakota. Okay. Oh, we gotta put YouTube on there. YouTube. Alright. See this. Okay. Maryland mushrooms, South Dakota. How to cook mushrooms. Study mushroom. Cascades mushrooms. Fairy ring mushroom. Wind Cave National Park. Does that sound interesting? That's not a YouTube video though. How to cook. Let's do this. How to cook mushroom and Swiss chard. That sounds good. So here we'll get this. You pause that so we don't have to listen to it.
When the Galaxy Note launched in 2011, it was ahead of its time. And naturally, when things are new and different, sometimes people aren't ready for them.
There we go. Okay, share. Embed. And 430. That's the size we want. Code changes. Double click it. Copy it. And we're going to put this in the right lower widget. Alright. And sometimes this doesn't always work out that great, but see what happens. Now we can take a look at our site. You can see how much we've done already. Okay. Over here, view site, right mouse click, open a new window. Page class, Black Hills class. There's 2 pages that are created by default. And there they are up there. There's our image we chose. And here are our 3. That one didn't size quite right. A little disappointed in that. They should all be the same, but you know, we didn't even mess with it. So here's one video.
What seems to happen in the psychedelic state is that when something...
Here's the other one. Here's our other video. Okay. We could size that so they're all equal. That looks good. You know, I like those 3 on the bottom. Okay, this. Okay, this is our first post. So that's kind of the way the posts work out in this template. So let's go back here to the dashboard. Alright, now we're going to do posts. Posts. Okay, they always have this hello world. You know what you want to do with that? Click it. Bulk actions. Move to trash. Apply. Okay, you don't want that stupid hello world there. Then we'll add a new post. Okay. And we'll just BH class brings the best to the Black Hills. Okay, so we just go in here and start typing. You want to start with a header, at least size 3. That has some of the text in the post title, so let's just call it Black Hills. There we go. Best. Okay, that ought to work. That'll work good for SEO changes. Okay, what we want to do is make. Okay, we need everything here. Okay, when I click that, that's called the kitchen sink. Gives you everything. So instead of paragraph, we're going to change that to heading 2, okay? That's good for SEO, and we're going to bump down. Now we're going to say something like, Black Hills area brings many well-known, subparagraph. There we go. Very familiar. But did you know about the fantastic mushroom harvest and delicacies? Let's see, delicacies. But did know about harvest delicacies just now being offered by specialty restaurants in the know. Spelling's terrible. Specialty restaurants in the know. Okay. Now we're gonna add a picture here, so add media. Right. We don't have any media, so let's upload a file. Select a file. Oh, let's see. How about well, I like to be relative, but let's put this picture in there. Okay. Yeah, it's gotta have some alt text. Mushroom district. Mushroom district. Rapid City. Finest restaurants. I can smell crap. Okay. Alignment none. Media file. Let's just leave it like that. Okay. There's a picture. You see how easy it is? And let's see. Find out more. At the best mushroom recipes imaginable. Okay, so all we're going to do is look up best mushroom recipes. The 10 best mushroom recipes. Okay, how about that one? Let's make a link to that. Get back to our site. Okay, make that link, paste this in, open link in a new tab, add link. Okay, now we should have categories, so let's add a new category. Let's call it food. Just one of the things of Blackout's class. Okay, now that's checked. Tags, we don't need to do any SEO right now. It's, bad SEO, but we'll just publish it. Okay, let's view the post. Each class brings the best of the Black Hills, the mushrooms, and there's our first post. Black Hills best. The Black Hills area brings many familiar attractions. Misspelling there, but did you know about the fantastic mushroom harvest and delicacies just now being offered by specialty restaurants in the know? Find out more at the best mushroom recipes. See? Now, look how quick we did that. It's pretty fast, isn't it? So, let's get back to our page here. Page class, view site. Pretty neat, huh? So we got a home and sample page. We'll cover that tomorrow, how we get. See, home just brings you here, but sample page, that's garbage. Something you delete. There's our videos. Also, we can have sidebars down here, sidebars down there, and all kinds of cool stuff. And might not seem that easy right now, but it's easy. So we go to our dashboard. Howdy follower 2h at hotmail.com. We're going to log out. And we'll erase this. And just show you what it is like online. There it is. Let's see, we should have our... There it is. Nope. I guess I forgot to publish it. Doggone it. Well, let's publish it. Let's go back to dashboard. Gotta log in again. Already kept track of us. Log in. Last password, where is this? Get rid of the posts. Should show that it's published, but we'll go to edit. I'll go to update. That publishes it. Let's go back to Black Hills class now. Reload. See if it's there. Nope, it's not there. For some reason it didn't work. I don't know. It might take a while to catch up. But anyway, the post is supposed to be there. We go back here. We go to visit site. And post isn't there. That's pretty strange. Let's go back and try to debug that real quick. We'll go to the dashboard. We'll go to posts. Should be there. Quick edit. Published. Allow comments. Allow pages. Title. Slug. All posts. Click on it. You should have the text of the picture that I put in there. There it is. No reason why it shouldn't be working. Published. Public. Update. Log out. There it is. Refresh it again. Should be there. Read more. There it is. There it is. There it is. Okay, here's the site. Page class. This is where the menu is going to be. Menu is also going to be here. Byline here. Base class brings the best of Black Hills. Here's our posts. Leave a reply. Here's our videos. And it's just a quick overview. But it didn't take too long.